Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. In last video, we have seen e-ticket. Today, we will see the explanation of our visit to Mumbai. Riya came to know her family is going to Mumbai by an aeroplane. Riya felt excited as she was going to Mumbai for the first time. Riya had an experience of her last trip to Ujjain. That time they took warm clothes with them because that was a winter season. Mumbai is quite warm during June, so they took summer clothes with them. Children, for a journey as per season, we need to take clothes with us. Also, we need to make a list of things to be carried for the trip. Now children, Riya's family took the airport metro to reach the airport. Metro train is a type of high capacity public transport. Metro train is used by the daily commuters to cover the short distance or the distance within the city. Children, commuter means pravasi. A metro train is a train that is designed to run in metropolitan cities. Metropolitan cities means Mahanagar. A metro trains have separate track which is not shared with other trains. Kolkata Metro was the first metro in India. From the metro station, the luggage can be sent directly to the aircraft. Aircraft means aeroplane. Riya was fascinated to see the smart cards and tokens. Children, this is token. Token is nothing but a ticket. Delhi Metro has introduced for the first time in the country ticketing and passenger control through a completely automatic fare collection system. The ticket, which could be a token or card, is purchased from the ticket counter or customer care center. The passenger will hold the ticket close to the machine to the right of the gate. If valid, the gates will open automatically and the passenger can pass to the paid area. If not valid, then the passenger will need to contact the customer care staff. Children, Riya's family's tickets or token were valid, so they reach the airport. Then they walk through the air bridge to enter into the aeroplane. In the aeroplane, they were asked to fasten their seat belts. Fastening seat belt means pulling seat belt on and connecting the buckle. Children, the importance of fastening the seat belt we have seen in the poem Helping Mummy Drive. Riya and Riwaz could hear a loud noise as the aeroplane was about to take off. It started moving on the runway and within a few minutes it was flying high in the sky. Riya felt something in her ears. After some time, she was comfortable. Riwaz was scared and closed his eyes tightly. The plane landed safely after some time. After coming out of the airport, Riya's family went to a hotel and then took a ferry to visit Elephanta Caves. This is ferry. Ferry is a boat used to transport passenger across an area of water, especially as a regular service. The ferry ticket gives information about date and boarding point, cost of ticket, etc. Now, Riya's family reached the shore. While climbing the stairs to the caves, some monkeys caught their attention. Children, if you have seen monkeys troubling to people somewhere, then you can share your experience with your family members. And also children, do not trouble monkeys or any other animal. Ria's family spent a lot of time exploring the caves. They enjoyed a lot and finally came back to their hotel. Next day, Ria's family went around the city in the Mumbai Darshan bus. The children were very happy to sit on the open deck of the bus. On the way, they saw the houses of famous film actors from outside. Ria's family reached the hotel and packed their bags. Then they arrived at the airport to board their flight for their return journey. In this way, Ria enjoyed her journey by plane and also she saw very new places in Mumbai. Now children, open page number 27. The question is, why did Ria travel to Mumbai? Ria traveled to Mumbai for fun and to get to know new places. Children, many people travel to different places to know about them and for fun or adventure activities. See this I write. Like Ria, you also must have visited some fascinating places. Write to your friend describing one of those places to him or her. Children, write here your experience of your visit to any interesting place. For example, I would like to share my journey of Ajanta Caves. 2 years ago, we hired taxi from Aurangabad to visit Ajanta Caves. Ajanta Caves are located far away from main city Aurangabad. Ajanta Caves are rock-cut caves. There are rock-cut Buddhist caves and each one is different from another. After visiting caves, we stay at Aurangabad for one night in the hotel. Then next day, we return to Nanded by train. So children, like this, any one of your experience here. Children, the remaining part we will see in the next video. For today, thank you.